Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. Today I want to share with you guys a really cool gadget that I found online under $19.99. Maybe you can find it right now for $17.99, and this is a moon lamp projector. This is awesome if you want to create that perfect atmosphere, if you're going to bed, or if you want to create that perfect romantic moment. This is it right here. If you're a creator, a photographer like me, I'll be using this mainly for product photography, for maybe for my action figures. But for this price and the size, this is a really cool projector that I want to go ahead and share that with you guys. So if you guys are interested, don't change the channel and stay here with me. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I wanted to ask you for a favor. If you are enjoying this video, can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot here with the YouTube channel, and it helps me grow it as well. Also, if you like the content I'm producing, you're welcome to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. And now back to the video. All right, so this projector is made of aluminum, and then it has a glass lens for the projector, and then it has a flexible arm that you can bend. This allows you to pretty much rotate this 360 degree pretty much anywhere you want, which is really nice. The stand at the bottom is made of plastic. This is approximately about, I would say about 13 inches with the legs extended. Now if you open the legs so that way you can set it as a stand, this is approximately about 9 inches. Temperature on this light, I didn't find exactly the temperature, but it's a warm color light. So if I'm guessing, I can probably say maybe about 3200 Kelvin, or it could be close to 4000 Kelvin. This projector is mainly created for you to change your ambient around you if you want to create that perfect moment when you're watching a movie, or if you want to create that romantic ambient for that special moment. This is really cool. In this case, obviously we'll be using it mainly for photography, action figures, product photography. So it includes a USB cable that is already connected to the projector, and it does not include the power block. You have to get those, and I'm pretty sure you have those available. And it has a power switch right here where you can turn it on and off. The other thing I want to point out is that this projector doesn't have a way to focus, so it already comes with the fixed focus, which is pretty decent, especially if you're looking at it from the distance. To me, it looks really good. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for a projector that focuses, this moon projector lamp is not going to give you that option. But for the price of $19.99, I can't complain. What I love the most about this projector is the size. Is compact enough that I can put this in my bag. I can put it anywhere in the room where it's not going to take space, which is really nice. It feels durable. The one thing I will have to say is the legs. You have to keep them tightening them because they get loose very easy, and this right here, this nut right here to tie the arm, it will get loose. But to me, that's not a big deal. For the price, $17.99, $19.99, I think this is a small little projector that does wonders, which is really nice. Another way that you can use this projector is by changing also the colors. Now it doesn't come with an LED light that changes color, but if you're creative enough, you can use gels that you may already have at home, like the LumQ gels, and you can actually change the colors to create different atmosphere, different ambient, which is really nice. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you're interested in getting one of these moon lamp projectors, I'm going to leave a link in the description at no additional cost to you. You can use that link and you can buy it from Amazon. And other than that, I just want to go ahead and say thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Take care guys. Bye.